Is it bad to buy before you sell? I'm Lutton, Head of News and Insights at Domain. For some people, buying before you sell can make a lot of sense, but it depends on your circumstances. So what are the perks of buying before selling? The main one is you have security. You know where you're going next, and for a lot of people, that safety is really important. Something to bear in mind is that in the current market, it can take a while to find a new home, and you may find yourself having to take out bridging finance, which can be really expensive. The other thing is you might get less for your property than you expected, and that can blow the budget. Selling is a safe option, but there's no doubt buying before you sell is also a great option. Just make sure you've done your research, have a look at recently sold listings on Domain so you know a benchmark of what your property is likely to sell for, and make sure you know that you can afford bridging finance if it comes to that.